Hi guys, kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipanin rin tayo ni bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito kay Miss Supranational Philippines 2025 Tara Valencia. So ito guys yung kanyang introduction video sa Miss Supranational 2025 and sobrang excited na ako guys na mapanood to. Kaya i-play na natin to. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go Tara! Play na natin! Okay, bilang tayo ulit guys in 3, 2, 1, go! So here we go!
Mabuhay and welcome to the summer
Ganda ni
capital
Tara,
of
no?
the Philippines,
Baguio.
This is the place I call home. A vibrant slice of paradise in the
Yes,
highlands.
ang ganda talaga sa
Where it's
Baguio, no?
winter weather at night and where pine trees thrive everywhere you look. From the beginning, my home has drawn in visitors from all
Kay
over
ganda
the
mo
Philippines
Baguio,
and
kay
the
ganda mo
world.
Tara.
And through the centuries, we have become a melting pot of cultures and traditions,
Ano yan?
blending in the
Lettuce.
rituals and beliefs of neighboring tribes and foreigners.
Yes.
This is what formed who I am today. I am Tara. I am Baguio. And this is the Philippines.
Yes.
It is here where my educational aspirations were funded by multiple
Ganda ni Tara, no?
scholarships, and where I
Sobrang
am
napaka-telegenic
blessed
niya sa
to surround
screen.
not just by the warmth of a campfire, but also by the love and affection of my tight-knit family. The fact that I will have the opportunity to showcase to the super world the
Whoa!
best of the Philippines.
Wow! Breathtaking
Well,
views.
That's even cooler than the climate in my hometown.
Oo nga, no, kalamig kasi sa Baguio.
My journey, I aspire to bring to the supranational stage the same values my small community has ingrained in me. Care and compassion for our community, love and respect for our world. I am Tara Valencia, your Miss Supranational Philippines 2025, and I can't wait to meet you all in Malpolska.
Yun. Grabe. Ang ganda ng introduction video ni Miss Philippines Tara Valencia, no? Ang ganda ng pagkaka-film, yung cinematography, sobrang nakakamangha. Ang ganda ng pagka-shot, no? Yung filming location, color grading, tapos yung voice over ni Tara Valencia. Sobrang sarap pakinggan, no? Tapos samahan mo pa na napakagandang mukha ni Tara Valencia. Grabe. Sobrang napaka-telegenic niya sa screen, napaka-eye-catchy ng kanyang introduction video. Alright, kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, bigyan nyo itong malaking likes, mag-comment kayo kung meron kang mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. Bye po!